Hi, and welcome back to section 5 of this course on securing the mesh. Now in this first video, we will talk about security by default and zero trust networks. So what exactly are zero trust networks and why do we need them? We're in a highly distributed environment and the rule of thumb is trust no one. The networks and the infrastructure can be infiltrated by malicious or misconfigured code or any other bad actors. So we need to make sure that we're not exploited. And Istio can help us with that. We can have encryption and authentication via mutual TLS between our services. So all the communication paths between the services are encrypted using TLS and authenticated using mutual TLS. Also, we establish secure naming and a service identity using X509 certificates. And Istio makes sure that usage of those X509 certificates is really easy. We can also use Istio authorization because it provides us a service-to-service level role-based access control to prevent any unauthorized access and communication between those services. And finally, the Istio network policies, they are enforced at the pod level, so that means at the layer 7, making it possible to enforce policy checks at the protocol level. So, for example, we can specify some policies based on the existence of specific HTTP headers or the exact values of those headers. So as you can see, Istio does help us a lot to establish zero trust networks.